signing that? Right in my shirt pocket, alright. You're done, Kevin. Have a seat. Thank you very much. Need somebody with a 10 or 20 who wants to try that one more time. Whatever it is. Oh, I got one. No, I'm just kidding, Kevin. I'm going to give your money back to you, alright? So how about you stand back up for me, okay? I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Yeah, put your hand up just like I was before. Cheeks is going to fly up there, land in your hand, run down your arm, put that money in your shirt pocket like it did for me, okay? Whoa, hey, you better chill, man. Looks like you don't got a shirt pocket, alright? So what's going to happen is Cheeks can rip a small hole in your shirt, no problem. Put the money right in there. No, I'm just kidding. He's going to put the money right in the palm of your hand. When it gets there, just wrap your fingers around it. Here comes Cheeks. There it goes. How about a hand for Cheeks, everybody? Thank you very much, Kevin. Put your hands back up. And we're going to count this off together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You guys are cruel, man. That's way too dangerous if you jump into Alex. We're actually not kidding about him getting those grapes. So if you lower your hands, you can throw those grapes to him one at a time. Abe's a great catch. 1 for 1. And 2 for 2. Thank you for being a good sport, Alex. In the audience, family? Now I got some random strangers. All right, yeah, a bunch of people. Awesome. Turn and face them so you can get a good look at this. Get really excited. Face them right there. Nicely done. Got a camera. Put that on YouTube. Nicely done. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to actually run backstage and see where Abe is. I'm kind of filling here. He should have been out already. I mentioned he's unpredictable, so Alex, stay brave. Alright, cool. Here's Abe. He's going to be jumping over you in just 1 second, Alex. Alright, we're going to get a photo. Good. Come up here, buddy. Alright, we're going to count this off together. We're all going to count to 3, alright? Ready? Where are we going? My bread's broken. There we go. Oh, well. Oh, he's showing me how to recycle. He's attacking that can. It's okay. You should be really gentle to you. Alright, I need that. Abe, have my can back. No, it's okay. Alright, Abe. Can I have that, my friend? Alright, here's some food. There you go. Go get your food. Whoa! Alright. So, looks like you're off the hook, Alex. Abe's going back to fires. Now, most animals see a fire, they run for their lives, but not the ground hornbill. What he'll do is he'll skirt the edge of that fire, grabbing up all the creatures that are running for their lives. Now, I'm not sure how they figured this out, but after working with Abe, who thinks because they're so smart, you know, it's their best chance to get a hot meal. How about a hand for Abe, everybody? Are capable of catching a small bird right out of the sky. Now, you'll see as our Harris Hawk approaches the stage, at the last possible moment, a small leather lure will be launched skyward, simulating a bird in flight, and giving Flash just a moment to react, and all of us a glimpse of his amazing hunting ability. So from the top of the hill, Flash.
Look. See that bird? Up there. Right there, look.
Now these guys are native to the southwestern United States, places like Arizona, Texas, and New Mexico, and they're one of the few social birds of prey, and that's earned them the nickname the Wolves of the Sky. How about a hand for Flash, everybody?
A what?
Now Flash just showed how agile he is. Some birds are known for how sneaky they are, and no birds are sneakier than the owls. So we're going to bring out a species of owl that is actually the largest species of owl in the world. This is Barbarella. She's a Eurasian eagle owl. And not only does she catch prey like small rats and mice, but she even occasionally catches prey that's quite a bit larger. Sometimes she's not chasing the mouse or rat through cover, but she's chasing the rat or mouse through cover. Things like foxes, very, very large mammals, even European deer that can weigh up to 40 pounds. Now, her most impressive sense is not her sense of sight or even her ability to be sneaky, but it's her hearing. Her hearing is so acute, she can hear a pin drop in this higher amphitheater. How about a hand for Barbarella, everybody? Lantern cock. her ability to catch food. Now she may look very familiar to you when you see a bird like Nima, because she is in fact very closely related to our native bald eagle. Just like the bald eagle, these birds spend a lot of time catching fish, but they even catch larger prey, sometimes up to the size of the flamingo. One more beautiful flight off stage. Shout out for Nima, everybody. Now it's not just the trees that you see here, it's the wildlife as well. One of the many rapidly fading species. The male will wall the female inside using things like sticks and mud. Now that female will lay her eggs inside that tree cavity and the male will only leave a small opening. Now inside that opening, he will pass food to feed the young and the female for up to 4 months. Now these birds are monogamous and they'll spend most of their time living together in groups just like that, and they'll repeat that cycle over and over and over again. Now, if you'd imagine, if you were looking for trees to harvest, you want the largest, the most impressive trees. They have the most lumber, they're the easiest to cut down. It's the least amount of labor to get the most amount of wood. But those trees are the ones that have the largest cavities. So without those trees, from South America, the beautiful, glorious macaw. Beautifully done. Have a hand for macaws, everybody. New humans must play, and that's for.
Mira, Rafa, ven. Acá irá.
Está embarazada, digo, acaba de parir.
Vete. Ah, sí.